mail at the mailbox today?
I did. That's the mail you got.
You sure it wasn't from yesterday?
Mom.
No, the mailman came.
Mom.
The mailman came.
Yes, it did,
You
Mom.
see the lady's arrows up?
Mom, I watched it. I was outside when it happened.
No, the lady got the mailbox open right now, and it ain't gonna come Sunday tomorrow, so it ain't come. That was yesterday's mail.
I saw the mailbox come. I saw the mail come.
The mailbox come?
I saw the lady come when I was outside. That was today. I was checking to see how humid it was, and then I saw the mail. And I was like, oh, let me go get it. And there were two. One for Papa and the letter for you, the dog letter.
It'll stop raining already.
Yeah. Here's some strong thunderstorm.
Gotta get the ice cream cooler first. It's all this white stuff. Oh, hell?
Hell?
Was that hell? It must say hell.
It held?
Yeah, look at that. We didn't get none of it. Yep. Yep. Well, how come we missed it at our house?
Yeah, that's weird.
Came down this street.
Sun's coming out.
There was hail back then. Ain't no hail down this end. They became in spots.
As small it was?
Probably because that rain, when that rain got real hard in some areas, probably just.
I'll be back with you.
And I ordered the food and paid for it.
Oh! And I missed that lightning strike. Oh, it went back on. I missed that lightning strike. I started recording right when the lights got off.
Like I said, I paid for it. I'm going back and get my money out of here.
All the lightning strikes are over there. Oh.
God, you didn't stop that when you get struck in this car.
How?
God, get that belt on.
I know. Lightening up. Back there. Ooh. A very bad storm. You haven't seen any damage in winds. Just rain and a little bit of hail. And a lot of lightning. Back there. But we're going to the back road, so we won't see much here, so. That's this video. Oh, this is what I live for.
That's what you need to go take meteorologists instead of you taking up the coronaries.
I'm gonna live in the Midwest. That's where they get the good ones.
You need to learn about the weather.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Weatherman.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the Midwest.
TJ works. Anthony works down at Channel 22 News.
I'm gonna go to the Midwest. That's where they have the good storms.
You're not going out for. You're talking about. I'm talking about doing the weather, guys.
You mean do the weather forecast?
Yeah, I thought you was gonna go want to do
Nah, I want to be a storm chaser.
No, you ain't gonna be no storm chaser. That's why they already killed 2 of those storm chasing guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
They couldn't get out of it fast enough.
The storm or a tornado?
The tornado, John.
A storm chaser, not a tornado chaser.
No, that's where your storms are.
No, thunderstorm. I'm not gonna be chasing no
You
tornado.
ain't gonna chase no thunderstorms. They ain't gonna do nothing. They chase tornadoes. That's it. Those storm chasers chase tornadoes. They don't chase nothing else. Weatherman can do the thunderstorm. There ain't nothing.
They can. But the clouds are blue. That's pretty bad. Blue clouds means a tornado.
That's the sky, Josh. That's the blue sky you see. You don't see no clouds, blue clouds.
Well, that means a tornado. If they're green or blue, that means a tornado or a funnel cloud. Catching all of it right now.
Gotta have vanilla ice cream and chocolate shot. Can I have the chocolate?
Why am I getting all these notifications? I'm trying to record thunderstorms.
She could go run home and buy a gallon of ice cream. Some chocolate shot where I'm bringing buy a cone.
It's dark. That's how dark it is. So we've seen rain and hail and lightning, but no damage and winds yet.
Dropped down. Down to the 70 was 93.
Yeah,
Dropped down to 70.
77. I caught that. That was a strike. Definitely eating outside. No, I'm just kidding. Well, I'm about to enjoy some ice cream. Get away from the storm chasing a bit. Alright, so it's raining a little bit. The severe threat has gone down. You can see some twigs. We got some wind here. Here we got some hail, but looks like it's all said and done. the severe thunderstorm threat has gone down, and we'll probably get like maybe a heavy rain shower, but it's all said and done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this montage of videos. I caught a lot of lightning and I caught hail. I didn't get any wind. I just caught hail. Hail, rain, and lightning. I didn't catch it falling. It was on the ground. But you all guys watch the full video. But yeah, it's coming to an end now. So yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you later. It probably looks bad, but it's coming to an end. So I love you guys, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and for those people wondering that if I already posted the video, I had to repost because of copyright issues. Because of music copyright issues. So hope you enjoyed the video, and more thunderstorms on Thursday to come. Bye.